This is a side mirror for the 2025 and 24 new facelift Kia Carnival. So I need to disassemble, take out the cover and prepare for the painting, for the refurbishing. So as you see, there is a blind spot and the camera around you. So let's start. First is the glass. Use some plastic tools. Slightly, softly. That's all. And then this is the wires for the heating. 1 and 2, and this wire is for the blind spot detection. Blind spot. That, then bezel. Time for the bezel. Screws 1, 2, and then 3, and 4 for the bezel. This one is for the light lamp repeater. Then we need to remove bezel. Where is my tool? Bezel, bezel, bezel. Here. So I use this kind of tool. You can use just a hand actually. Just, but it's harder. But I believe you can do that, maybe. Ah. No, I don't want to do that. I use my tool. Kind of this. Actually, you can use a driver, I think, but still. Anyway, it's better. So this is a bezel. Bezel, bezel, bezel. Paint it, gloss black, cut the color EB, ebony black. So then for removing the cover, so there is a few things. This clip, also this position, just like that. Also there is some clip or some, you can do like that. Pop up, pop up, and this guy is going down, drop down. That's all. So what is taking this piece? Okay. This one. This one. And that's guys. And that's all. So as you may see, As you may see, this mirror with the motor, this one is taking care for the few functions. The most important is IMS, integrated memory seat, that is located on the driver door, and driver memory seat. So this is for the top trims like S6 and SX Prestige. So top trims, okay. So if you want to disassemble the repeater, then just you need to slightly hold, put some driver or something here, and you can remove it. Same thing with that wire.
That they have everything that they need there to make that good decision for their children. But 76 jabs is too many. Right now, the CDC is recommending 76 jabs before that baby is old enough to vote. I think that's just a little bit over the top. Somewhere in between, there's got to be a sweet spot here.
How about measles, mumps, and rubella, which is a vaccine protocol that almost every parent watching this program is familiar with and comfortable. Are you as well?
Okay.
I am too. I think that that's one of the good ones that's been around. It's stood the test of time. I would encourage everyone to get that particular one. But again, I think
Repeater.
we need to be more selective. Again, 76
look.
is too many. 18 jabs the first 18 months. I'm concerned about the interaction between those vaccinations. How is that impacting the development of that
Camera.
immune system? And I think that's what we need the CDC and NIH to be researching. I'm asking Senator Marshall, do you regard it as a Democratic post? No, not at all. I want all the papers to be released. I want the truth to be told. Look, this is very important. Look, these young ladies were sexually abused. They were raped.
For 2025, camera is much smaller in size. This is the previous generation, non-facelift on the right side, much bigger, and this one for the new facelift 2025 26 Kia Carnival, much smaller, much tiny. You see the difference? Okay. So this one is for 2025. Round view, camera. Mostly that's all. If you want to fully disassemble or your motor is broken, you can find my other videos on my channel. For those of you who's looking for you have a problem or issue with the broken neck, this side. So the issue is, but anyway, so there is aluminum shift on this one, okay. So kind of like this one, it's the same inside your motor. So when you crash or you have hit the mirror, so it's broken. It's broken, and then actually inside there's a spring and kind of few holders. So, and this stuff is going like this, going inside, then going here. So this is how it's look actually. This one is from Palisade, but it's quite look same. Idea is the same. So there's aluminum part that is going through, as you see, and inside all this stuffs. So also there is a motor, controller. So if your neck is broken, I mean not your neck but your mirror neck is broken, so you need to change this mirror, this one. You can check my other videos that I show the disassembling, how to disassemble that. Actually I need to remove this part, this cover. Okay. So inside there is a Torx screws and the Torx 25. This guy, Torx 25 we need. 25. Remove this cover and then remove 3 screws, Torx 25. But be careful, they are so soft, and head is really aluminium and very soft, so you need to be careful about remove this lightly. So that is how it looks. Also the motor is different because of IMS memory seat. So there is a control module that is going inside motor, and when the driver is changed or position changed, automatically it will fixing the position. Camera. Blind spot. Heating. And repeater lamp. You can buy parts and you can buy mirrors on our eBay store. Check links in the description. You can follow link and buy or ask if you have any questions. You can ask on eBay. Thank you.